Welcome back. This is John's dad. This is Wednesday Wins. We talk about procedures and skills that are good to know and good to have in the backcountry. We're in the third of a three-part series on how to fix your broken hiking pole. First, we simulated a break in the middle and fixed it with tent stakes. Last week, we simulated the broken off handle and fixed it with a smart water bottle cap and a lot of duct tape. And I just wanted to share this week, it took me about 15 minutes to get this off of the pole. It was on there very solid. So I really think it's gonna work. I hope you never need to use it, but if you do, you'll be good to go. This week, we're going to be doing a repair on a mechanical failure on the hiking poles. This is one that I experienced on the King's Trail in Sweden, and actually I've experienced it 2-3 times since then, but now I know how to fix it, and you will too in a few minutes. So, I was hiking along. It was a beautiful day. Picture the sun shining, almost no clouds, and if you can, we're above the tree line, and off to the right, there was a single reindeer. I think it was a male. He was standing there, he had big horns and everything, and he was watching me. And I was walking along the trail. It was beautiful, just beautiful. And if you've read my book, you've seen the videos on the King's Trail, there tend to be muddy trails, a lot of water, a lot of rocks. If you're below tree line, there's a lot of roots. It's a very experienced trail. A lot of people have hiked it over the years. This trail was different though. Almost no rocks, no roots. It was dry. I was moving along. Suddenly, I'm standing there with a limp stick in my hand. So that's clearly not what it's supposed to look like. I'll show you a picture of this close up. This is what the joint is supposed to look like. 2 pieces of hiking pole, an aluminum insert of some kind connected to some rubberized stuff. And I don't know how it works on the inside, but that's what it's supposed to look like. This is what it looked like to me. I'm standing there. It's not raining, which was the only good part of the whole day. It looked to me like something was missing. I did compare it with this. I'm saying something's missing here, and I'm looking and I can't see. It definitely is broken. I mean, it's hanging there useless. So I made it through the rocks that I was currently going over. There were some rocks in my near future, but then I took the pack off and I took the hiking pole, put it in my backpack. That was the last I used them for another 150 miles. I tried to figure out how to fix it if I could, but with a piece missing, there was nothing I could do. There wasn't a piece missing. This is what I learned. And you'll see here, come on, a little bit more. All right. So this is what I found when I had time to look at it. This metal piece, the aluminum piece, is supposed to be down in the bottom piece. Oops. Then it would look like this. And this is a one-time repair. If I fix this, I can't break it again. It will eventually break. It's about 150, maybe 200 miles of backpacking, and this will come out again. When I push this in, push it all the way in. Now it's in there. I can't get it out. I think over time, as I'm using the pole and I pull on the handle, it pulls this out little bit by little bit, and eventually it falls out and you get what you saw already. And I can't recreate it. This was a one-time thing, one take. I either did it right or I didn't. So that was the fix. But you say, nobody carries a long screwdriver with them. Hopefully, you can use a tent stake, but this is too big. It wouldn't fit in. The smaller tent stake, you can put it in, maybe. What I played around with, though, is my small little knife. There's an attachment on here, a little screwdriver thing, and I was able to get that in and pull that piece out. So, that's how you fix it. Hopefully it never happens to you. It will happen to me again, because I still have these hiking poles. They're among my favorites. I've got several pairs. No complaints. I did check with Black Diamond. I said, hey, is there some way I can fix this? And I said, it's out of warranty. I told them that up front. And they said, hey, it's out of warranty, but here's a coupon. And so I got a good discount on a brand new set of hiking poles. There's nothing wrong with these. I can fix these in the field now, and so can you. So any ideas, any questions, any suggestions on other ways you can break and fix your hiking poles, other things that break and you can fix? Be glad to spend some time looking into it and put together a video for you. See you next Wednesday.